How y'all doing? How y'all doing? We are over here on this beautiful beach. So, I don't have a game plan today, but we just finna just cruise around and look around and enjoy this sunny day. When I get to the area there, the area that I really want to get footage of, y'all gonna see why I came over here. So today is supposed to rain today, and behind us is some rain clouds. But I'm gonna try to get some footage before all of that happens. I have, let me see, one, two, three clients to see today. So I was like, man, so I got a lot of downtime right now until then. So I said, let me get some drone footage. So we're in standard mode now, and here we are. I can't remember what beach this is, but I would definitely make sure I put it uh, up top. So I'm at 115 feet now. I wanted to get a little low so y'all can really see it. So I might put it in cinema mode because I feel like I'm going too fast. But yeah, let me start right here, and I'm gonna put it in cinema mode. So that's ludicrous. There we go. Smooth mode. There we go. Yeah, now we going 6, 8, 9 miles an hour. Okay, there we go. And y'all can see the little. I think those are called shelf clouds, I believe. But yeah. And to think, before I moved to Tampa, like I told y'all before, I almost literally moved out here on the beach. And the only thing that stopped me was the flood insurance. I said, oh no, we're not going to do that. Because I want to say rent was like, let me go over here and go in the middle of the street. Yeah, slide over here. Y'all see the rain clouds over there. But I think before I moved to Tampa, rent over here was like $600. I was like, ooh, heck yeah, man. But the flood insurance was like $1,500. So I was just like, nah, let me move inland. Okay, let me move inland. Uh, oh Lord, there go a bird. Please don't bother me. I ain't bothering you. Don't bother me, bird. Please. Just let me just mind my little business. Get this little footage and call it a day, okay? Thank you so much, bird. So, but yeah, I almost moved over here though. So, I'm glad I didn't though, cause when hurricane season come, obviously everybody over here got to evacuate. There's no choice in the matter. You got to evacuate. Period. Point blank. So it is what it is. When you live in Florida, if you're gonna live by the water, you got to know that. So it's amazing sometimes how people be acting shocked. Like, you right there on the water. What you thought was gonna happen? Like, duh, man, Jesus. So, but yeah, dang, look at this beautiful sight. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty out here. But I will say it's been a blessed couple months, y'all. I'm getting ready to move soon to my new place, and the best thing about this new place is that I'm moving to is I can literally wake up and get some drone footage. Where I stay now, it's a no-fly zone because the Air Force Base is like in my backyard, so I got to leave the house to go and get footage. But at least now where I'm moving to, sorry if y'all can hear the motorcycle that just passed by, but like I was saying, at least where I'm moving to, I can go up to 200 feet where I'm at. I mean, where I'm moving to now. So I can't wait till I move so that way I can just go outside of my backyard and get some pretty drone footage. So I'm looking forward to that. So I'm hoping y'all enjoying this flight like I am. I wanted to do this for the longest. And again, I cannot remember what beach this is. I think this Indian Shores. Oh my God, I just seen a dolphin. Now I'm finna see if I can. I'm already at the 5 minute mark, and I know y'all attention span is very short. So hopefully y'all got to this point. I'm finna go to where I'm at. I think y'all might see me, cause I'm parked right to the left over there. All right, let me see. See if I can get some dog. Oh man, he just came up again. All right, let's see if we can get him. Let's see. Let's see. Come on. I was gonna go to normal mode so I can go a little fast. I'm going 11 miles an hour now. So let's see if we can catch him. Let's see. Oh, he just came up again. Man. Okay, where he might be at. Where he might be at. Where are you? Oh, now he don't want to do right no more. Now he don't want to come up now. But that's all right. Y'all finna see me. I'm finna get some footage of me sitting in this car. Y'all ready for that? Get a nice little mini little orbit so y'all can see me. There we go. Over here. Gonna go over a little bit. Get a little close up of me since we can't get the dolphin. But that's alright. So I'm finna come down, down, baby. Dun da 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 da. If y'all know the song, sing the song. Let me get a little closer to me. Here we go. Here we go. Almost there, almost there. Ah, almost there. Come down a little bit more. Here we go. Say hey, Marquise. There we go. Go over a little bit more. Don't judge me. Oh. There we go. And there I am right there. Hey y'all. How y'all doing? Thank y'all for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe. Okay? Thank y'all.